Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by layering the building blocks: phyllo, butter, and a finely chopped nut mix. First, brush a thin layer of melted butter across the tray so sheets don't stick. Next, lay 4 or 5 phyllo sheets, buttering each, then scatter a third of the nuts. Repeat to create consistent layers. While you work, simmer milk with sugar and vanilla until sugar dissolves. This warm milk syrup will later soak the pastry and give baklava its creamy finish, so don't boil it hard. Once layered, score the top fully into pieces so syrup can penetrate after baking. Do this before any final butter pour. Make sure the topmost phyllo gets generous butter so it crisps and browns evenly. Place the tray on the middle rack and bake for 35 to 45 minutes at 170 degrees, watching for an even golden color. If edges brown quickly, lower heat a touch. After baking, rest the tray for a few minutes so juices settle. This helps avoid soggy centers when you add syrup. You finish by pouring the warm milk syrup slowly and evenly over the hot baklava so it absorbs. Pour along the scored lines to reach the center. Once done, allow the pan to cool completely at room temperature for 4-6 hours so syrup settles and texture balances. Patience is crucial. If slices become soggy, lift pieces, air dry briefly, then re-crisp in a 150 degrees oven for 5-8 minutes. Conversely, if too dry, warm a little extra.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.